Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing this new game that I found out by my friend called Splash Music Skateboard, and it's pretty fun. So you go here and then you get these little skates and those. I already got a bunch. I'm an amateur because I just started playing this last night. But it's a really fun game, and I think you guys should definitely try it. And yeah. So, let's go inside. And then you could sign up to be a dancer, or, like, a, DJ. So, I'm gonna pick a celebrity. Maybe. Actually, I'm trying to look for this one. There we go. She's my favorite. Dance off. It's pretty fun. So then you just click these circles when they get into this circle spot right here. Just like this. So you just click all these. When it gets into this like little pink circle right there, and you try to get first place to get points. Just like that. And I believe I got first place, yes. So, this is like a very fun game. I'm gonna choose it dance, renegade. I'm gonna do renegade. This is a very fun game. And it's pretty addicting. Like, I played this for like 3 hours last night in a row. And, like, it's very fun. And I got first again. So, I just leveled up. Okay. Very fun.
Consider making upgrades to your home with brand new windows. Our high-quality mono replacement windows are virtually maintenance-free and guarantee the last of lifetime.
Right now, buy one window, get the next one free, plus no interest and no payments for 24 months.
Call or click today for the last windows you'll ever need. You'll be saying, I love my windows. Universal Windows Direct. We believe the right tools and training are the new Berlin heating difference.
We invest in industry recommended tools others don't. Doing the right job starts with the best equipment.
Carrier is a proud partner of the Milwaukee Brewers and a home run heating and cooling.
They say when you come from a small town like us, you do things your own way.
Woo! My turn to DJ, guys. And I'm super excited. I love DJing.
So you fix them. You know the neighbors? So you're good to them. Did you drop these? You know the neighborhood. So you make a difference. Thanks for the hot spot. You know the strongest signal comes from starting local, staying loyal. No matter how much you grow, the nationwide network built from your town up. West Side. Are you one of the millions of Americans who experience occasional bloating, gas, or abdominal discomfort? Taking a line can help.
This is really fun.
Naturally helps digestive upsets 24/7. Try Align, the pros of digestive health, and join the Align Healthy Gut team. And learn what millions of Align users already know. How great a healthy gut can feel. Sign up
We did it, guys. That was very fun.
Sold in 100 days. Get yours at home and I'll show more home very soon.
Fox 6 Weather is sponsored by Ruger Law Offices. One call, that's all.
Well, just announced a short time ago, the Dave Matthews Band announcing rescheduled dates for its 2021 North American Summer Tour, including here in Milwaukee. Now, that tour kicks off July 23rd in Raleigh, North Carolina. Summerfest will host the Dave Matthews Band on September 15th for a special Wednesday evening show at the American Family Insurance Amphitheater. Now, for more information on refunds and tickets, we have that information on fox6now.com. Peloton is hit with a lawsuit over treadmill safety concerns. A California woman suing fitness equipment maker for $5 million in damages, claiming that its Tread Plus treadmill is dangerous for children and pets. A consumer watchdog agency urged Americans to stop using the machine. This is after 39 reports of injuries and one child death. Peloton telling Fox Business that it had no comment.
Renegade.
Researchers looked at more than 35,000 expectant mothers in the U.S. and they found rates of miscarriage, premature birth, and other complications were all comparable to those seen in studies before the pandemic. The women tested received either the Moderna or Pfizer vaccines. Pregnant women who become infected with COVID-19 face higher risks of complications, including intensive care hospitalization, premature births, and deaths. Well, companies might think twice about bringing workers back into the office. After polling more than 30,000 workers across the U.S., researchers from 3 universities found working from home brought workers' productivity up 5%. They note, however, the increase is mainly due to
Guys, I'm concentrating so bad, so I'm sorry for not talking that much. But, like, when you concentrate, it's hard to talk. Because you're just so focused. Trying to get all these little dots. I told you guys, this is a very addicting game.
According to the Federal Aviation Administration, small drones are able to fly over people and can fly at
Like,
night.
when I'm done making this video, I'm probably going to play for another, like, 3 hours again. It's, like, crazy and fun to do. So, and I'm DJing now, so.
Pilot certificate and ID at all times. Operators must also complete special training. Well, today's a great day to fly a drone, Stephanie.
It is really no weather worries across southeast Wisconsin today. We're going to have clear skies. Temperatures will be warmer in the 50s. I mean, really no complaints in my opinion. Let's take a live look outside right now. Right now we're at 46 degrees at Visual International. Again, any view you look, any direction, I guess I should say, you are seeing plentiful sunshine. It does still feel a little chilly. Wind is about 5 to 10, so that feel like temperature is about 41 in the Milwaukee area. Clear skies, plenty of sunshine here locally, and even as I zoom this out,
Guys, this is so fun.
as far towards the southwest, across parts of Nebraska, Kansas, South Dakota. That's going to bring in a chance for a few rain showers later in the day tomorrow, maybe a few into Saturday, but otherwise this day is still going to be just lovely.
That was fun.
Let's take a look at Sky Vision Plus right
Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. I love you, popcorn lovers. Don't forget to eat some popcorn, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!